Folks, my name is EZRA ONDARA. You're watching EZRA ONDARA TV. I do real estate content in Nakuru. I do house hunting in Nakuru, and I do vlogs around Nakuru. Folks, today we are coming live from Turi in Molo, Nakuru County. Sawa sawa. Now, there's a time I featured Tulivu Court gated community in Lanet. Then somebody asked me, EZRA, can those people build a home for you? Let's say you have a property, you have land somewhere. Can they build a home for you there? Folks, that is the very reason we are here today. This very client, they saw that video and they got to me, and in a matter of 1 year, this home has been built, and we just want to use it as a sample to show you that indeed, whenever you can call them, they will come there. And I'm here with
Grace Murage, General Manager, Neocrest Homes.
Exactly, and even her t-shirt can tell that Neocrest Homes. So she's from Neocrest, and she has overseen this entire project until completion. Grace, mbona mkuniita wakati mlianza jamani? Kutoka chini. At least ungekuwa na footage ya kutoka chini nini?
I think ni excitement, but we will call you for the next one.
Yeah.
From the beginning until the end, so that our viewers can see.
Yes.
That we are not lying.
Yes. Next time I want to be involved from the process from scratch.
There's another one loading, so we will let them know.
So.
And then we'll bring them on the ground as we break down until we finish.
Perfect. So Grace, so you show them what you did here.
Come and see.
Yeah, karibuni folks. Now let's start from the face of the house, Grace. I see you have just done your trademark, the trademark of your homes at Barnabas, at Neocrest, like the brickwork. When I just walked in, I saw, okay, this is surely Neocrest.
Yes, like every other person, we have our signature. The way we layer our bricks, the stones, actually, these are not bricks, they are stones. We have two different kinds of stones, one from Mogotio and one from Olkalau. That is how we layer it so that we can set ourselves apart from the others. Which one is from Olkalau? Is it the brown one, the gray one? Or? That's fuzzy for me, but either or. Okay. I will confirm that in the next video. Okay. Yes.
Folks, this entire home sits on a half-acre parcel of land in Turi. Sindio?
Yes.
Half-acre. And Grace, I like their garden there, although the nyasi has not yet grown fully. Yes. But I can just have a picture. I just have a picture of how, you know.
It's going to be like a carpet grass.
Yeah.
Very green.
Yeah.
They hired somebody else from Nairobi.
Yeah.
Roiro.
Yes.
His name is Moigai.
Yes.
That's landscaping.
Yes.
He came and did the work, but he supplied the road curbs and the pavers.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else you want to tell us outside here?
Turi is dominantly a cold place.
Yeah.
So we ensure that they have a fireplace to warm themselves at night. And when we get to the kitchen, they have two types of kitchen. They have a modern kitchen and the village kitchen, where if you want to cook with kuni, like us Kikuyu, we like gederi.
Yeah.
So Shosho can still do her kuni gederi and still make her barbecue. You will see.
Very well. So having mentioned Shosho, actually this home is for Shosho, Cindy. Yes. So it's like a gift from the children.
From the children to their parents.
To their parents.
Just say thank you for them, bringing them up and educating them. Now they are giving back to their parents. Their actual home that they built from themselves is just behind here. We will see it.
Yes.
But now the children decided to build for them a bigger house.
Yes.
A more modern house.
Yes.
In the village setup.
So let's go inside and see how you did things there.
Yes.
Aye.
Karibu to Shosho's house. This is the front porch.
Yeah.
Shosho is intending to keep the seat here, but I was telling her she can't do it because we've not put the glass here. Every time it rains, Turi is a rainy place. Yeah. Her seat gets messed up. Yeah. But I'm going to work on it and ensure that she has glass there so that she can keep her seat here. Yeah. Karibu ndani.
All right. Wow, the sitting room is huge.
It's quite huge.
It's a lounge.
Shosho has a big family. When everyone is visiting, most of her kids are in the diaspora. When they are visiting, and the grandchildren, they can all sit together. This is the sitting room area. That's the fireplace where they'll just sit and relax. Indeed. They can watch TV. And still enjoy a village setup, but in a modern way. Yes.
You've even installed internet for them?
Yes, they have internet because the son wants to keep watching and seeing if the place is safe. We put CCTV. So he's able to log in and see from wherever he is in the world. Yes.
So you did a lounge here. This is a 3, 4, that is 4. This is like a 10-seater.
Yes.
You know, as you did like a space for a 10-seater lounge.
This is additional. This is her old couch. You know, old people, they hang on to things.
Yeah.
They are hoarders.
Yeah.
So I couldn't grab the seat from her.
Okay.
I had to incorporate it into the modern house.
Okay.
But this is the ones that we added.
Okay.
And then we incorporate the old with the new.
Yes.
This is the dining area.
Wonderful stuff. For 6.
Yes.
For 8.
Actually, for 8.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be for 6.
Yeah.
But we coined it for 8.
Yeah.
Because she has a big family.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and the chandeliers,
Yes, modern fixtures.
Yeah.
In a village setup.
Yes.
Yes.
You made sure Shosh gets
She has
the
to
modern
give
touch.
lunch. Now you see the modern kitchen.
I like her kitchen.
Modern kitchen with all the modern fixtures and amenities.
Indeed.
She can do anything that anybody else can do in town.
Yes.
Like you see, there's a pneumatic signature.
Yes.
We get most of our stuff from pneumatic.
Yeah.
But she wanted to the conventional cooker. But we did the food for her.
Yeah.
Yes.
You've taught her how to use these things?
Yes, she knows how to use them.
Okay.
She is actually educated. She is actually educated.
Okay.
And her double door fridge.
Yeah.
The microwave.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Yes.
You've given her a lot of
enough
storage.
space.
Yeah, a
Because
lot
I know
of
she has
cabinetry.
a lot of things.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Enough space for her to cook even when her grandkids come and the
Yes.
daughters-in-laws
Yes.
and the sons-in-laws, they can
Yes.
all just hang out here.
Yeah.
So that, you know, when you come to the village, all of you want to cram up in the same place.
Sure.
So even if they decide to stand here, all of them,
Yeah.
there'll still be enough room to do her cooking
Yeah.
and chatting.
Yes.
Others can be seated on the other side and still continue a
Taking
conversation.
tea or something.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Then now this is the village kitchen, as we like to call it.
Okay.
She can use her kuni there
Okay.
to make her githeri. Still given her a washing area.
Wow.
She has still decided to hang on to her tabletop
Yeah.
gas cooker.
Yeah.
So I allow her
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Yes.
And she has a couch
where she can just
in this kitchen as
while
well.
she's cooking and
While
waiting
she's
for her food to be
chongaing viazi.
ready. Yes.
And I
This
assume
the
that is
master.
master.
Yes.
Okay.
No, this is the pantry, sorry.
Oh,
This is the
okay,
pantry
okay,
where
okay.
she keeps her stuff. She's a farmer. So there's a collection of things there.
Yeah.
This is the master. It's big enough,
Yeah.
spacious enough. The bathroom and toilet. And you see, as they grow older, they need the disability amenities,
Yeah.
like the handles
Yeah.
and the seat while they are bathing.
Yeah.
So we ensure that we incorporate all that here.
Wonderful.
And then that's where they sleep.
Wonderful stuff.
And like the son wanted,
Yeah.
every room must have its own character, so every room has its own different kind of curtains.
Yes.
Yes, the dining has different, the sitting room has different,
Yeah.
and
I've
so on
seen.
and so forth in the whole house.
I've noted that.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Karibuni ndani. It is a 4-bedroom house,
Yeah.
but we've changed one into a study room.
Okay.
That's the common toilet.
Mm-hmm.
Then bedroom 1 and 2. Actually, this one would have been a joint, an attached rescue, but yeah, with a balcony that overlooks the garden.
Okay.
Yes.
And it is well lit.
Yes, it is.
With a sofa bed
Yes, it has sofa bed for relaxing.
and their bed.
Yes.
And it is en suite.
Yes. All the
Okay.
rooms are in suite, by the way.
Okay.
Just like our signature at Neocrest.
Yeah.
But in the event that the client decides they don't want it to be en suite,
Yeah.
we do what the client wants.
Yeah.
But Shosho wanted all her rooms to be en suite.
Okay.
Yes.
This is my favorite room.
Yeah, it is well lit.
I like lighting, yes.
Yes, it has a
So
lot of
it has
natural
2
light.
windows, a lot of natural light. This is my favorite room.
Yes.
And the rooms are spacious.
And the
Like
color,
these are
the drapery. The
Yeah.
daughters chose the curtain colors and the seamstress made it.
okay. And you also ensured they have a lot of storage in the wardrobes
Yes, Shosho has a lot of stuff.
there. Okay.
And she refused to let it go.
Wonderful stuff.
Yes.
Wonderful. So, Neocrest, now tell them, they asked me, can they build a home for me?
Yes, we can.
You see, now we are all the way in Turi. We are no longer in Barnabas
No,
now.
we are no longer in Barnabas.
We are in
We've
Turi.
gone as far as Kinangop, by the way. One of
You've
these
done
fine
another in
days,
Kinangop.
We will go to Kinangop and we will see.
Yes, I also want to go to check out that one in Kinangop. But we have agreed the next one we start from the ground of Barnabas.
EZRA is involved
Yes.
every step of the way.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow, this is beauty.
She wanted a shorter curtain for the door. So she was of the impression that people will keep handling it, it will become dirty.
Yeah.
So we honored her. Otherwise, it would have been longer, just like the others.
I've seen that idea in many places. So
Now the garden.
this seems like my favorite part here again.
The
I
garden
mean,
is amazing.
and you have done these
The pavers.
the pavers, you know, at least to create.
So there she's done her products for different kinds of garden stuff. There's kitungu, there's nyanya, hidden. It's a hidden garden.
Yeah.
But now this one is just grass and flowers. But there it's a kitchen garden. She's done it in paddocks.
And this is her lawn.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
The lawn was just supposed to be predominantly grass and flowers. But we put steps for her
Yeah.
to go to the garden without stepping on the grass. That's why we have the pavers, and then we have the staircase.
Yeah.
Yes, to lead to the kitchen garden and back.
Yeah.
Without her stepping on the grass.
Yeah.
She can go around the house. She can pass through the balcony.
Yeah.
The balcony for the attached,
Yes.
or she can walk behind it.
Yeah.
But she's not supposed to step on the grass. Muka is actually attached to the grass. He ensures that he waters it every day.
Yeah, I
As
see.
you can see, the sprinkler is on.
Yeah.
Yes.
And they have a lot of water here. Yeah, I
Yes,
see
there's
those
a
two
lot
water
of
tanks.
water. They harvest a lot of water and they have a borehole.
Yeah.
You see on the other side, their
old house.
original home, their old house, they have a borehole there.
Okay.
So water is not a problem here.
All right.
And that gate leads you now to her garden.
Yes.
They have a big tract of land. So that's where they do the potatoes and the cabbages and whatever.
Yeah.
For her, the gate where
Yeah.
she
She
can
can.
just pass here and
Yeah.
go to the garden and come back
Yeah.
without having to go around.
Yeah. Yeah. You have taken care of Shosh Vizuri.
Outside toilet and bathroom.
Yeah. A
Just in
latrine.
case she has a function,
Yeah.
people don't have to go into the house.
She should be having as many functions as possible. She has a
Actually,
lot
when
of
it's
space.
Once the home is done,
Yeah. She can hire the ground. Eh?
the ground for people to come and take
She has a lot of space here.
a lot of space and here it's fresh.
I mean, when I enter homes like this, a home on a half an acre, this is now when I feel, you know, my home should be like this.
Yes.
You know,
Those crammed up ones in 50 by 80.
the 40
You
by
need space so
80.
that your kids, your dogs, and whatever can run around.
Yeah. Wonderful. 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 Haya, sasa siwaambie namba mahali watawapata ndo muwajengee nyumba. We'll just put them down there on the screen for Neocrest, or even mine. I mean, I'm a friend of Neocrest, so that's why you have seen. I've produced a lot of content for them. Okay,
So when you get to EZRA, you get to Neocrest.
exactly.
EZRA is a friend of Neocrest.
Yeah.
Yes.
So folks, that question, you know, going back to that question, can these developers, EZRA, can I get somebody to build for me a home somewhere else? You know, if it can be out of Nakuru, anywhere. These guys, they can do it, and this is an example of what they have done here. But it doesn't mean they will do exactly like this. You will sit down with them, you will tell them if it is a mansion, if it is a bungalow, whichever plan, they will execute it for you, Sindio?
Yes.
Otherwise, they have some other homes in town now at Barnabas, which they are selling, right?
Yes, we have
Fika Villas,
Yes,
Fika Villas, at Fika Villas in Barnabas. So they have that one too as well. Anyway, thank you for watching EZRA ONDARA TV. Subscribe for more from Nakuru and beyond the city. I do real estate content, I do house hunting in Nakuru, and I do vlogs around Nakuru. See you in the next one.
Thank you for coming with us. Enjoy your weekend.
So.